Here, I'm going to show you a pretty cool way to generate your own 3D text, but also have the ability to have some control over the animation and the effects. And so we're going to use a few tools here. Firefly is great for generating things, but you don't always know what you're going to get. So what I think the key is to create your base text in Photoshop. So I create a real simple text. Could be text, it could be a logo, and you just create your text using Photoshop or GIMP or whatever you use. But give yourself enough room on the border here, create something, whatever font, whatever logo, and just generate a flat image, black and white flat image. And then you're going to pull that into Firefly. You got a choice of all the different models to use. I think some are better than others at certain things. You got to try them out. Same thing, you got to try out different prompts here. Generating this with just the latest version of Firefly. Keep trying, generate, play with your prompts, get good at the prompts. This video is not about creating prompts. You figure that out. I'll do another video for that, but create something, play with it. And once you get something you really like, just save that as a flat image, download it, and then we're going to go over to Firefly's video generation and video generator, I guess, and we're going to pull that image in, and we're going to use that to generate the video. And again, be specific with your prompt. And what's cool about the Firefly video generator here is you got some control over camera settings. So play with it, generate a few different things. One thing that's very important in the image and the video generation is to say black background. Specify that so that the image and the video that you get come out with a black background. That's going to be important because when we pull that into After Effects, we're going to use that as we want a transparent layer so that I can have some control. And you can do that by, a number of different methods, but Luma Key works pretty good, especially if we have a black background. And once we've got that out of there, we want to drop a background image in there. Now, this could be stock video. This could be something that you find online, but why not be specific and generate exactly what you're looking for? Go through a few prompts, get something that's what you want, and pull that into After Effects. You've got your text layer and you've got a separate background layer. And that means we can do some things like we can change the size, we could scale the text or the background up or down. We could keyframe those and create our own 3D motion. And this also means that I can add in a bunch of other layers. I could put in like a particle generator and I could make a star field, and then I can use that as a 3D layer. Gives it more of a 3D effect, but I've got control over it now because I'm doing all of this inside of After Effects. I could do stars, I could do smoke, I could also generate flares. I happen to like optical flares, works pretty cool, so I can drop that in, and now I've got a flare, some stars, and all these effects. And so I like to have control over the animation and the things that I'm doing. And I think this is a pretty decent text intro for something, whether it's a video, YouTube, social media, whatever it is. But take this and get creative. Come up with your own ideas using these techniques.